Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out a very special 1957 Chevy Belair. This one was special ordered by the original owner in a rare color, this Harbor Blue, which is gorgeous. Also special ordered the drivetrain. He was a GM technician, and so he knew what he wanted when he ordered his 57 Chevy Belair. He ordered it with the factory 283 with the dual quads, the heavy-duty 3-speed manual transmission, and the heavy-duty rear axle with 410 gears.
Wow, what a powerhouse for 1957, huh?
It's a special car. Fires up and runs beautifully.
Brant just went ahead, and this has also got the dual point system in it
as
well. So he went ahead and redid all the points on it, just got it all tuned up. It does have power steering as well. And just look, it's got the factory radiator insect screen. Holy smokes.
And 30,700 believed to be original miles. Interior is all original and excellent clean. Original paint still in the jams, and it looks fantastic.
Just the gaps, and when we go around here, we'll just go ahead and point all those out. But just even our hood gap here is beautiful from front to back. A lot of the stainless and stuff looks to be all original as well, like here, but still really nice. But if you get right in there, you can see a couple little pits at the bottom of those. Yeah, bumpers, everything almost looks original and in excellent shape.
And the drivetrain is believed to be all original as well. As far as the date codes and casting numbers, they all line up to be the original drivetrain on this car.
Factory dual quad, everything.
Yep.
But tell us a little bit more about this color, Dalton.
Harbor Blue, you just don't see them in 57 Chevys. I don't know if there's another one on there for sale right now. I think it's one of the last Harbor Blue 57s to sell. Sold at Barrett Jackson and brought almost $200,000.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, it's a great color. I haven't seen another Harbor Blue 57.
You really almost need to see this one, Dalton, in person to really appreciate the color. Indoors and outdoors, it really changes as well.
Yeah. It's even got the correct wheel and tire setup on it with the painted steel wheels with the hubcaps and the wide whites.
And a Belair two-door hardtop with 100% of its original interior as far as I can tell, and we'll kind of go to that in just a little bit here. We do have a couple chips. You know, it's had one repaint done on the outside. As far as the interior door jambs and stuff, I think it's original. We do have a couple chips. There's one tiny little chip here that needs to be touched up, and there was one right here on the very front edge of the hood here. See it? The gap's good. We just have two little chips there. Yeah.
Which I don't know, it's hard. I mean, I'm sure the exterior's been repainted.
Yeah, the exterior has, but look at you can tell in the jams that it's just a little bit duller. Do you see that?
Yeah, but still the jam paint and the exterior paint both look so nice.
Oh, it does. Nice. I mean, just even look at the carpet. You can see it's got a little wear. See the center of that carpet?
Yeah,
see, it's got a little wear there. It's original carpet, I think, and the seats are definitely original. A little wear on that driver's side.
Yeah, you can tell it didn't have a passenger much. Passenger side's excellent. You can tell there's just a little wear on the fuzz on the driver's side.
And the fuzz, look at this. You can tell it's original here too, 100%. See it? It's never had a seat cover. Someone did add some seat belts in the front. Back seats original. Door panels are excellent. Headliner looks all original as well. Dome light works well. Visors are original. Beautiful dash. They did a great job. Look at the paint on the dash and just the dash applique. I mean, that looks 30,000 miles all day long there.
Yeah, such a neat car.
It's got the factory one speaker in the back.
Rare drivetrain setup in a really rare color and just excellent condition.
And just look how that door shut. I mean, it just, one finger just shut beautifully. Trim lines up nice. The doors line up great.
Laser straight body.
No fender skirts, huh, D?
No, I like it. It looks good. This side trim here looks to be original, super clean. If you look here on the gold Belair, you can tell it's just a little bit of wear in that gold, but excellent. Super solid up and down the sides. The doors fit excellent.
Do you have the Brant, when he took this one for a drive after he did the dual points and tuned it all up, he said it's the fastest old 50s car he's ever been in his life.
Yeah.
And did you say this was a mechanic built this one?
He was a GM technician.
GM tech.
Was the story. He special ordered this new in this color with the drivetrain. Look at the trunk jam paint and everything's fantastic.
Isn't that great? What a car, Dalton. What a piece of history. Nice car cover comes with it. There you got your nice brand new, it's brand new. It still has the blue on the wide white here. Jack's all in the right place. Jack's Instructions is all there as well.
It does have a brand new fuel tank and fuel system. It came in, it still had the original tank in it, but the previous owner sent along a brand new one. The original tank worked fine, but we figured
It just had a couple stains in it. As long as it had a brand new one with everything new, we went ahead and changed it out.
Yeah.
Just made it look nicer underneath. One other thing, make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. This was a factory undercoat car in spots, but you could still see the red oxy primer when we power washed it. We touched it all back up in black again, but absolutely rock solid frame, body mounts and everything are just rock solid on it, floors.
Yeah, really clean underneath. Back bumper is good. You can tell this Belair emblem here is original. You look close, you can just see some little wear in that gold, but it's about as nice original trim as you're going to find.
It's gorgeous, Dalton. And the color just makes it. Where do you find one with 30-some thousand miles? How many owners? 2, 3 owners, something like that? Long time ownership, I know, in a collection.
Factory dual quads.
Feel these rubbers, they could almost be original, couldn't they?
Yeah, they're a little firm, but still nice. Corner of the door's perfect. Door panel is in great shape. Factory VIN. These have some little wear on the driver's seat. Nothing through, but just from sitting and getting in and out, it's a little worn. Which really speaks to the miles, because especially with this type of interior with those inserts.
There's no way that would be 132 with those seats. And they're original. Windows go up and down great, though.
The original steering wheel's like new as well. Really nice and clean.
The little window flappers shut nicely when you shut the door as well. Just like they should.
It's probably one of my favorite 57s that we've had. So you have generator and oil pressure lights in the dash, and those work. Your temp gauge and your gas gauge work. You got it filled up to about half. Heater fan works as well.
Yep, we'll shut that off. Brakes are awesome. We got a really nice pedal, and the power steering works perfectly. And how nice is it that it has factory power steering?
Yeah, very.
There's your dome light. That works great. We talked about the interior, just in beautiful shape. Wipers do not work. They're your old factory wipers. I mean, everything is there for it, but they're all the factory vacuum, and your original radio is all intact.
Looks like it came with a factory rear speaker too, which is kind of neat.
That is neat. Look at that glove box. Just check out how nice that is. It's beautiful. Even the original paint there. Isn't that great? Temp gauge is just coming off the C and Audi. So all the gauges in there work. Steering wheel's immaculate. I don't think there's not a crack in it. This thing drives perfect. Look at this. 55, cruises right down into third. Yeah, Grant's got it just tuned perfectly. I mean, that's 62 mile an hour right there. These 411 gears are perfect in this thing, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
I think this would definitely win some races against some old early 60s cars back in the day.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, what a car. The front steering is awesome on it. The alignment's perfect. No shake, no shimmy. And you can just tell that with a 30-some thousand actual mile car. This thing is tight.
Yeah.
How about wind noise? I have nothing on my side.
Seals up really good.
I'd like to do one more takeoff on this old girl. High-speed brakes. Perfect. Here's your turning radius. It steers beautifully. This thing really gets with the program, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Bias ply tires, little snow, wind blowing, kind of crazy.
Not ideal weather for it.
But you know what? Back in 1957, drove them every day on snow and ice.
Yep.
Didn't think twice about it, did they?
Probably not. No.
Once we get it back to the shop, guys, we'll go ahead and power wash the undercarriage again, make sure we get all the salt and all that stuff off of it. But everyone wants to see us drive them, make sure that they go down the road great. And this is just a perfect example of why we show people what they do. Mechanically, this is an awesome 57 Chevy.
Yeah, it's a great car. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out the channel. We'll be coming out with some more beautiful cars here soon. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.